In this video, we will compare two popular portable washing machines, the Lungo Star and the Nixod. We'll explore their features, capacities, and overall usability to help you decide which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. Let's dive into the details. The Lungo Star portable washing machine offers a larger washing capacity of 18 pounds, making it suitable for bigger loads. In contrast, the Nixod portable washing machine has a capacity of 15 liters, which is ideal for smaller, delicate items. If you frequently wash larger items, the Lungo Star may be the better choice. When it comes to portability, the Nixod portable washing machine stands out due to its lightweight and foldable design, making it easy to store and transport. On the other hand, the Lungo Star is bulkier and heavier, which may limit its portability for some users. If you need a machine that can be easily moved, the Nixod is the way to go. The Lungo Star portable washing machine comes equipped with multiple wash settings and a built-in drain pump, offering greater functionality for various laundry needs. In contrast, the Nixod features a simpler interface with fewer options, which may appeal to users looking for straightforward operation. Consider what features are most important to you when making your choice. In conclusion, both the Lungo Star and Nixod portable washing machines have their unique strengths. If you prioritize capacity and functionality, the Lungo Star is a solid option. However, if portability and ease of use are more important, the Nixod may be the better fit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.